Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, welcome to another Temu. Do we even recognize this bag? There we go. We have another Temu. Oh yeah, we're going to check out this bag and we're going to see what's in here. This is a small haul of things that you would have for your home. And it's just a few little items that I want to show you guys today. But before we do, I want to let you know all about Temu. Temu is an online market store where you can purchase all kinds of things. And I do mean all kinds of things like an Amazon. It has just about everything. And you can go on there and find prices that will pretty much just blow you away, even if it's a 50-cent item all the way up to the 50, 60, 70, 80 dollar range, whatever it is that you're looking for. Anything that you are looking for in all price ranges is just incredible. The pricing is wonderful. You can even compare it with Amazon before you buy to see if you've gotten the best buy for the exact same product that you could be purchasing. And keep that in mind because that has happened with me. I have found things on Amazon that I could get cheaper at Temu, the exact same product. I also want to let you know that this is a purchased Temu package. Everything that I'm going to show you today I have purchased on my own with my own money, and I am an affiliate, so I just want to put that out there. I will have links for everything that I show you today in my description, and if you're new to Temu you can get 50% off by using my code INC76154. And if you have never downloaded the app before, you can download the app and you can also save another 50% with INC76154, and you will get $100 worth of coupons. That's right, that you can use for future purchases. Now Temu is free shipping, so you don't have to worry about the shipping part. They do charge you tax. They have tax numbers for all the United States, so there is tax added. But other than that, your shipping's free, and whatever you're buying, you could be buying right here, and you're going to be charged tax for it, and you have to drive away with your purchases. With Temu, they're going to bring it to your door. So, I mean, there are some advantages, and you can get crafting supplies, kids' clothes, kids' toys, pet toys, tools for men, clothes for men and women, shoes, belts, purses, accessories, kitchen gadget, kitchen utensils, kitchenware, home decor, just the list just goes on and on and on. Even bedroom, like if you're trying to redecorate a child's room or your room, they have bedspreads and things like that. They have luggage. They just have everything. So I'm going to show you a few small items that you can get from Temu, and again, you can use my discount code if you're interested, and especially if you're new. Now, if you would be interested in being an affiliate or influencer, I will have that information down in my description as well. And you do not have to have a YouTube channel in order to be an affiliate. So keep that in mind if you do have an interest. But as for now, we're going to find out what's in my Temu. And I told you it's a small little haul. And the first thing I'm going to show you is going to be a little home items like home decor and useful things. The first item I'm going to show you is this table runner. And I guess I forgot that I already have one. As you can see right here behind me, I've got a Home Sweet Home. It is a little bit different than this one, and it has the pumpkins on there. It's the same colors, so it'll kind of coordinate with what I already have. But again, it's just a little bit different. But this here, I found it was a gorgeous fall table runner for $3.09, and I think that was a good buy. That's why I got it. I got me another one. And you can find that down in my description if you're interested in getting one. They have lots of them, so if you don't like that style, there's plenty of them to pick from. You can click on that link and it'll get you over there, and then you can see all the different things that you can get. The next item I have, now this is something for your health. You know how you might get a little, your feet are tired and you just want a little massage, but you really can't reach your feet too well. Well, this is called the Echo Electric EMS Foot Massager. And we have instructions that just fell down, and we have a USB port, but you are going to put your feet on there and it's going to massage your feet. I had seen this from another channel and thought that was a really neat thing. And you're going to get your instructions, and they'll have them in Chinese, I guess, and then they have them in English, so you can read what it is that you have, and you can hook it up, get it charged up. You've got a remote control. Oh, this has to be put on here. You have to snap this on. I thought it was your remote control. It's the way to control it. And then you can turn it on, and it's going to light up, and it's going to vibrate on your feet, but I think I'm going to have it charged up to have it fully functional. And then this is the remote that it came with. So you get all of that for $5.39. Isn't that cool? I'm going to turn this off so it doesn't run the battery down in there. But isn't that really nifty? And for $5.39 it came with a remote control, and of course you've got your USB port to charge it up. So that was an excellent buy, and I look forward to trying that out. Now, because who doesn't have tired feet from time to time, for real, right? And then I have instructions and everything. I want to keep this all together. And then the next item I'm pulling out of my little goodie bag. I needed this probably a month ago. When it got to be 110 here, 108, and 100 and this or that on a regular basis, the flies pretty much went away. I will have to say, extreme heat does keep the flies away. But we were having so many flies, I wanted to get me a fly swatter, and they had this creative, retractable fly swatter. And I thought, how cool is that? So you can make this really long, and it was only $1.49, or you can bring it down to whatever length that you want. I would probably use it for that. But if you've got one that's in a real long place, you can really zap it far away, like up high on one of my cabinets. I mean, this is excellent. And they had different colors, and I got the blue. And it's got like this grip handle, and it's got little places there for your fingers to grip it. And it's got a nice little pad for getting the fly. That's the whole point. I want the flies gone. I don't want flies. I don't want to be having flies going around. Now, my next item that I have is a neck massager, and this is, I guess, this is going to have heat in it, and this here, of course, has instructions with it, and you're going to put this around your neck, and I don't know if it says it's a tourmaline one-piece black color, so I don't know what it's supposed to do, actually. I thought it was going to heat up, but I don't see anything to turn it on. So I wonder if this is just like, you know, you hear about those kind of neck things that you put on, not to brace it, but like, you know how some people will put, I don't know, copper and stuff on their wrist? Maybe this has something in there for that. But it's got little pieces in there, and it was $2.24, and it says it's made in China, of course. It says to apply a hot towel for 10 minutes. After this, I guess you're supposed to wrap it with this. 10 minutes, I don't know. It's got instructions on there. I just don't know. I don't understand what it is. When I seen it, I thought it had like heat coming out of it. And it does have some little, I don't know, little things in there. Like maybe it's going to pulsate, and maybe it's heat activated, because it says to use a towel with it. And then it shows it on the back of the neck, and it's $2.24. But I think it's a really neat little nifty idea, and sometimes my necks get stiff, and that's what this is supposed to help with, a stiff neck. Okay, it's a one-piece tourmaline neck heating pad. Relax and soothe sore muscles with this comfortable and effective neck collar brace. So it shows on there that it's got like the little beads that are in here, and I can feel them in there. They don't give us a lot of instruction on the site. It says protect the cervical spine, can't wait. And you know how we get those cricks in our neck, and that's what I was having there for a while. So you use this on the back of your neck, and it's supposed to help with the vertebrae back there, and that's what it shows. And like I was showing you a while ago, you put it on around that way, and the little points that are in there, it doesn't say what they are, but I think they're supposed to help with the alignment and probably with the pain that's in your neck. So that's all the information that I know. Let me see if there's any reviews on it. It's very useful. Just heat a flannel, wet it, and put it in the microwave and put it right in the middle. So I guess you put it right in the middle. It says it's useful, works well. You can feel the heat on your neck. It's a good product for the money. Great value. And then this one says, in order to activate it, you have to use a warm cloth prior to putting it on your neck, and it keeps the heat in place for a good while. Okay, so that's why the directions were saying to heat up a washcloth and put it on your skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. So you do that first, and then you take that off and put this around on your neck, and it's got Velcro on there so you can clip it on, and then you leave this on for another 10 or 15 minutes. So that's what it's supposed to do. And again, it was $2.24, and that is the current price. So on to my next item that I have here. Oh, this is fun stuff. I got me some cute little sparkle and purr cute kitties, and they are so cute. Look at this. Isn't it so cute? This here was $2.24. Just absolutely adorable. And you can use it as a keychain, or you can use it as a clip-on like to your bag, and that's probably what I'll do for decoration. You know, I got me a little puppy dog, and I thought, well, I might as well get me a little kitten. And then I got a second one right here that I want to show you, and this one was also $2.24. And look at this one. It's almost the same. It's just a little bit different. But isn't that just adorable? And then again, you've got the clip to clip onto your purse and or use it as a keychain. So I just thought that was adorable. Just very, very cute. I actually got this one for a friend because she's seen my little puppy dog that I had clipped to my purse, and she goes, oh, do they have cats? And I said, I'm sure they probably do. Well, get me one. I said, well, if I see one, I will. So that'll be for her. And then I've got one for myself. And of course, I had to have one with pink on it. So those were my items. And I think my bag is empty. Yeah, this was a quick little haul here. So what did I get? I got my heat wrap for the back of my neck for when I have a crick in it, and that happens a lot, it seems, I guess being on the computer a lot. I got my 2 little keychains and our purse decorations, one for me and one for my friend. I got my super duper little fly swatter here, and I really like that. And both of these, by the way, were $2.24, just so you know. And I got this really cool foot massager with a remote control and everything, so that's going to be really nice on them days for tired feet. And then I got this table runner that is similar to the one that I already have. So it's going to match up with what I have here. But that is my little haul. What do you think? Do you have a favorite? Well, I'm going to really like massaging my feet, and I really, really like this little keychain. I don't have any little cats because I have all the dogs, and it'd just be crazy, especially with Parson Russells. You don't really want to have cats. I mean, if they were in the house with them and they were friends with them all the time, it'd probably be fine. But if a cat were to get into their area, their territory, it would not be a good thing. So I don't put any cats in harm's way. I do have some wild cats around here, but I can't even touch them. I feed them, but they don't let me get anywhere close to them. So anyways, that's my haul with Temu. Let me know what you think. I know it was really small. I've got some more Temu coming up real soon. I've got another fashion haul, I've got a bag haul, and I have a jewelry haul. So I wanted to get this one out first, and I'll be getting the other items out to you in the next week or two, depending on my schedule. But as for today and Temu, that's all I have. And be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. And I do have a few of them. My 2K celebration, thank you very much, and I appreciate all of you that have commented and entered and all the well wishes. I really do thank you. And I also want to let you know there's a couple international giveaways in number 3. So if you're international, I haven't forgot about you. You're going to have an opportunity in video number 3. But there are 3 videos with 3 giveaways, and I have a FabFitFun Triple Crown battle that's going to be ending real soon with reviews with Sue, Laura Wooten reviews, and myself. And there are 3 giveaways with that, and be sure and vote so we know who the queen's going to be. That's right, we always battle it out for the queen with the FabFitFun customized box. But as for today and Temu and all my little items, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.